TwelveTrees Park is a regeneration project built by Berkeley Homes. It consists of 3,800 new homes spread across 26 acres.
Originally, this was a bus depot, and we're making it a really lovely space that people want to live in.
In terms of scale, TwelveTrees Park is vast. The site is very triangular in shape. Therefore, we are landlocked on all three sides. We've really only got one way in and one way out.
Manor Road is the road that separates TwelveTrees Park to the wider neighbourhood. So we've got direct access into West Ham Station. We're building a new station entrance directly on site, but we're also connecting two passenger footbridges, which will be connected on either side of the station. The bridge is going to be another step closer, another connection going in, so very much looking forward to it.
The most difficult element of that bridge is the amount of interfaces. The fact that you have narrow rail, LUL and DLR. Each of these lines closes in different hours. And you have London Borough of Newham as well, that you're closing the road. These components is a chemical reaction. Berkeley Homes got consultancies on board, and they actually developed the design up to a certain point, and then they appointed us to pick that design up and actually get it to something that can be built. The bridge consists of hollow sections, and these actually coming from specialist factories across Europe. So you order all these bits, and that assembly has to happen in a controlled environment. Usually you have a design that looks pretty on paper, but doesn't necessarily come together. The bridge was constructed in Doncaster. In order to transport it to site, we have to actually split it in three pieces.
Due to the weight of the bridge, the size of mobile crane that we need takes the best part of 3 days to set up.
It comes here on about 20 lorries. The chassis of the crane itself, that comes on its own, and we build everything on top of it. All in all, the bridge actually going to weigh at 75 tonnes.
Since we acquired the site in 2015, the design and planning for this bridge lift would have taken place over the last 4 years.
The time has come, the crane is in, we rigged it, we set it up, and the night has actually arrived. We prefer the load to lean slightly on one way, which will allow us to actually land it much easier. So we need to start rotating over the railway and come to the final position. And we will try and break it as slow as possible within the parapets of the abutments. If for whatever reason the bridge doesn't fit, we have certain hold points in our program that we know how much time we have, and we know what time we need to actually lift the bridge and actually put it back out. You can plan as much as you want, but there is always that little unexpected that you couldn't foresee.
TwelveTrees Park covers more aspects of civil engineering than I've ever been involved in one development.
The bridge will unlock the facilities and the amenities for the wider community, the schools, the retail space and parks.
These engineering challenges are very, very exciting. If this type of thing doesn't get you out of bed in the morning, then I don't know what will.